a darker Kearney stag. He's gonna make a nice one. About 6 months old. This is a Kearney stag we just caught up. Those of you that remember, this is one of Short Bus's sons. Short Bus and his brothers were 5 times inbred and proved to be pretty good roosters. This stag is, oh, I don't know, he's 5.5, 6 months old, just a baby. He's gonna make a broodcock. That's a little man child right there. One thing I love about the Kearneys is this right here. We've got a half Kearney white hackle and half lacy roundhead. He's just a big old baby. I just caught him. We're going to put him on a tie cord. Straight from the wild to the tie cord. Little Johnny stag. Come here, son. Come here. Come here. Straight comb one. We probably get 1 out of 200 come straight comb. This is one of our roundhead stuff. Not the lacy, this is our roundhead, the yellow-legged stuff. He's just a little tiny baby. I wish he would have ran a little bit longer, but he was busy enough. He let me catch him, so he has to go onto the cord. He's gonna make a nice one when he grows up. Stag, been on tie cord since this morning. Looking pretty good. Taking everything all right. Well, that's the first Kearney stag we caught this year. He's been on a tie cord, well, since about 9 o'clock this morning. He's taking it good and calm. Ain't panicking. I wish he had a little bit better tail, but it'll grow in. Okay, living his best life, ain't he? He's out of that rat race. Now he's up here in a good calm place. Look at him just chilling out. Taking life like a man. I like a good mind on a rooster. Half Kearney white hackle and half black. Probably one of my favorite crosses. Just been on that tie cord about 2 seconds. He's still trying to figure it out. But he's taking it good. Good calm mind on him. Probably 5.5, 6 months old. Spangled penny stag, I caught him this morning. Been on tie cord about 8 hours or so, I guess.